Today we will be talking about some basic terms of data analysis and statistics. You may have heard some of them before, but we will be taking them to a much greater extent this unit. So say we have a set of data, in other words, some numbers that we want to analyze. Here I have 7 numbers, 3, 4, 1, 6, 3, 1, 3. This could represent almost anything. Let's say it's the number of pets that people own. The first way we can analyze this data is called the mean. Another name for the mean is called the average. When we find the average or the mean of a set of data, we add all of them up and divide by the number of items that we have. So if I looked at this set, I'm going to start adding all of these together. 3 and 4 is 7, plus 1 is 8, plus 6 is 14, plus 3 is 17, 18, 21. So I have a total of 21. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items. If I do 21 divided by 7, I get 3. So we can say that our mean, our average, is 3. All right, now for the next couple, we are going to rewrite our set of data starting from the smallest number and going to the largest, from least to greatest. So I'm going to start here with 1 and then 1. If you want to cross them off as you're doing that, just so you don't redo anything. Let's see, then I have some 3s. I got a 3, and a 3. I'm going to cross those off. And then I have a 4, and then I have a 6. Okay. So I took my same numbers. I didn't change any. I just wrote them in order. The median is the middlemost number. So what we do is we start counting from both ends, and we work our way to get to the middle number. In this case, it's a 3. That's weird how that worked out. Sometimes that happens. Sometimes if you have an even number of data points, okay, say that we did not have one, like say we did not have the 6 here, and we start going in boom, 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 what we do is we take the average of these two numbers. We would add them together and divide by 2, if that were to be the case. Okay. Now the mode is the number that occurs the most. Mode is the most. So we have 2 1s, we have 3 3s, and a 4 and a 6. So the 3 is the mode. Sometimes our mode, we could have, say, 2 1s and 2 3s. If we were to have that, you could have 2 or more modes, whatever number occurs the most, or numbers if one isn't clearly the most. Now, the last one is the range. The range is basically the span from the least to the greatest. So we are going to subtract those two numbers. So 6 minus 1. So our range for this set of data is 5. Now it's just a coincidence that this set of data, our first 3 numbers are the same, our mean, median, and mode. Many times all of those numbers are different. You just have to calculate them. We will do a lot of practicing with a lot of data.